Hey guys, it's still Rosie here, and today I will be doing this little stress ball opening because I'm curious to what is inside this. It's green like that when I squish it. So let's just cut right into it and see what's inside. So here I have got my tiny scissors to cut through the balloon. So let's just cut it now. I'm going to go with, I don't know, I'm just going to cut it. I'm not going to pinch it or anything. Whoa! What? There's more? I'm just gonna cut this whole thing. Whoa! This is so cool. Now it's a green balloon. This is cool. I think it's slime. This is so cool. I really like this a lot. Wow. This is so cool. Okay guys, another important announcement came. I am now a slime collector. So this I got from my from a store, and it's 4 pieces, as you can see, pieces 4. And so this is one of the pieces. The slime is one of the pieces. This container is one of the pieces. And the lid is one of the pieces, so that makes it 4 pieces. And this is the same slime that was right here. It's super cool. It's sticking to the balloon. It doesn't want to come off. But here is some slime. Ah, it's sticking to me. So I'm a slime collector. And this is basically face putty, they maybe called it. I'm not sure, but all I know is I like it. So, one of the YouTubers that inspired me to do this was Bubble Pop Kids, and another one, I can't remember, but I got the small scissors from the other one and cutting the slime right now I got from the other one, and I got cutting open little squishies I got from both of them. But I really enjoyed doing this. I think it's really cool finding out mysteries, plus if there is end up slime in there, you get free slime, so that's a bonus. And I just really like slime. I love the slimy texture of it. I want to make slime soon. I just recently tried to make some and it failed. It ended up turning into like dough type. But I like cutting this open. So mystery solved. In this white balloon, we have this green, slimy, booger-like stuff. So I will see you guys in my next video, most likely doll video, maybe slime video, maybe squishy video. See you guys next time. Bye!